Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the new account to the Shein app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Shein app. Here it opens up in the shopping menu. From here we just go into the me menu. Then tap on the cog icon in the top right corner. Here scroll down, tap on switch accounts, and then tap on add account. And here we can enter the mobile number or email address of the other account that you would like to sign into, or we can join with Google or Facebook, and just by tapping on one of those two buttons. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.